Hi everyone. Bit of a different video. I thought I'd have a bit of fun ASMRing with you, I guess. I just received the Castles of Burgundy, the board game. I love board games, but it's hard to find ones that are good for two-player, so I'm slowly going through Board Game Geek and finding ones that we like, and when we can get them, we get them. So this is the game, and the exciting part, that's the instructions there, but the exciting bit was before you set everything up, you have to pop out all of the tokens and cards and stuff. So I thought I'd just show you, because that sort of gives me a joy and a pleasure, and yeah, I thought don't know how this is going to work, but I went, oh, there you go. So just like that. So that's all I'm going to do, and I'm going to sit here and put them. Oh, that's my head. Oh, sorry guys. And then it came with baggies, so I was like, oh, which one's going which baggie thingy? So we'll just like have a bit of fun, and yeah. So I'm just popping all these out. These are called lingots, I think, but I think they're now called just, oh no, silverlings. That's right. That's what they said. Silverlings. I hope everyone's been good. I don't know what these are. I have no idea what any of these cards are, and I'm sure if anyone wants to watch this that has played the game, I'd be more than happy to hear your opinions on how to play it. It looks like it'll be challenging and interesting and fun and stuff like that. So now, of course, being the person I am, I'm like, oh, do I keep this? Because this is a nice card and it's nice and sturdy. But I probably should throw it out. I know hubby would tell me I'd have to throw it out, but I quite like it. But I'm going to throw it out. I'm going to be good. I'm going to be strong and throw it out. So yeah, there's all these like different shapes and these cards. Oh, look! Oh, pretty. They all mean different things, and I don't know anything about it. Piggies. These are piggies. You see the piggies? I don't even know if this is working. I've set you up on a strange little cake table, actually, that a lovely, lovely, kind friend gave to us. Oh, these are farmers. I know that one. So how's everyone been? Please comment down below how you're going. I've been having an interesting time. Oh look, oh yeah, like see, because this is Burgundy, so Burgundy's in France, but at the time in the 15th century it was its own, whatever you call it, Central France, which now Burgundy is Burgundy, the lovely wine. But yeah, there we go, another card, there we go, bye. What's these ones? Oh, okay. So that's the back of them, if you can see, which is quite nice. And then this is the front. I think these are like hint charts, like how things work and stuff. But again, if you know and you want to make some suggestions, be nice and kind, obviously. But yeah, let me know what you do. Anyway, how you play it. If there's any tips and tricks on how to play it. Also, if there's any white people like to, what do you call it, pack their stuff up with. See? Another card. Yeah, I guess the other part I was going to talk about is that since I last made a video, I think there might be, this is your bonus, yeah, 1 and 200. So I think that's when you go around the board and you go around more than 100, like once you get that, and then if you go around twice you get 2, and it's 1 for each colour, because there's blue, green, deep, blue, blue, green, black and red. Obviously I would want to be black, so I'm just telling everyone now, if you ever want to play with me, black is me. Yeah, so as I was saying, so since my last video with you, there have been things happening. So this is probably this, but it's also a chatty video. And you know, if you want to just watch me do this and not listen to me, I guess you can just put me on mute because I'm just yammering on. Oh, nice. Yeah, so the pandemic's still going because it's what, June 2021 now, and the pandemic is still going on. I've had my 2 vaccines, which is fabulous, so I feel a little bit safer, but I don't like people very much. I find them loud and yeah, you know, I like people, you know, on an individual basis, and weirdly I like I don't know, performing and, you know, that sort of social interaction of, ta-da, look at me, I'm doing a job or I'm doing something. But I've always found it really, really hard. Really, really hard. And yeah, I'm pushing them just like all out. I don't know. Is this even interesting? But anyway, sorry. So these are all ships. So since I've been doing stuff with study, and I haven't been working, but I've been working part-time, but the main thing I've been doing uni, which is pretty full on, and I haven't done as well as well, marks wise I've actually been doing really well. I've really enjoyed it, but I don't think I've been doing anywhere near as well as I could, and I was wondering what was going on because I was getting depressed, anxious. I'm on depression and anxiety medication. It's not been really very fun, and it's not been really, really good, and the medication doesn't seem to be helping. Oh, look at that, isn't that cool? It's a bit like the carpet from The Shining. So, yeah, I have not been doing brilliantly, and I've been doing some research, and I'll link some videos and stuff below of places that I've been searching. But I'm now on a waiting list because my doctor did some Q whatever tests and stuff to see if I am, but it looks like I actually am autistic. Who would have thought? Probably everyone, if you've seen me. You know, I talk with my hands. But yeah, I'm a mature, I'm an old lady. Well, I'm 49 at the moment. And I've been like this all my life. And I just thought I was wrong. I just thought I was someone wrong. I didn't think the same way everyone else did. I didn't react to things the same way. I've been able to hide it. People wouldn't guess, I don't think, because I can mask, which I now know that term, masking. But you know, I've masked my whole freaking life, and this sort of feels almost like an answer for me. So I'm not sad. Oh, where'd that one go? That ran away. I'm not sad by it, and no, it's been around my whole life. I did not get it because of my vaccinations, which I know someone will go, oh, you gotta get your vaccinations. Fuck off, anti-vaxxers. Fuck off, you ridiculous people. Anyway, I just, yeah. So I thought I'd do this little video, chat it up, blah, 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 and drop the bombshell that I'm probably on the spectrum, neurodivergent. They do call it Asperger's, but I think they're trying to change the name of that because from what I have done little research in, I've done little research, of course I have, I think there's some issues around that term, and I think they're wanting to just call it ASD, Autism Spectrum Disorder. I don't know if it's a disorder. I know it's not a disease. So yeah, these probably have to be separated out. There we go, because there's lots of them. Look how many yellows there are. Here's the blue one, blue 100. Yeah, there we go. That's my bombshell. Anyone who knows me might go, that makes sense. I don't know if you'll be surprised or not. My mum knows. And it's all very strange. I don't think it's a bad thing. I mean, it's not like I've suddenly come down with it. It sounds like I've always had it. But, you know, it hasn't been the thing to diagnose women, I don't think. So it's been a bit challenging. And, you know, I just thought I was weird. And I am weird. I don't mind being weird. I like being weird. And from some of the TED Talks and stuff I've been watching about, you know, people with autism, it's actually a good thing. Because we're neurodivergent. Not wrong. It's not a thing you can fix. It's just the way we think. So there we go. That's it. There's a lot of cards here. This is quite fun. It's very relaxing. I don't know if anyone else is finding it relaxing. So yeah, there you have it. That's the thing. That's the dealio. But anyway, yeah, so this pandemic has been a very strange experience for us all. And I think everyone's having a different experience depending on the country you're living in. As you can hear, I'm Australian, but I live here in the UK. Oh, actually, look, Space Invaders. Anyway, whatever. UK's had it very different from Australia, that's for sure. And I've found, you know, because I talk to my friends in Australia and my mum in Australia, I hear just, you know, like, oh, we've had a 3-day lockdown. But then other countries are having it also different again, and bad and challenging. And I think we're going to see a lot of people come out the other side of this very changed, perhaps more aware of themselves, perhaps not as nice. Maybe they'll be better. Let's hope people are better when they come out. There's the green one. But I think it's going to bring out people's latent fear personalities. You know what I mean? Like, if you worry about some things and the way you release your fear is by being angry or vicious to people or nasty, or you might just shut down, or you might become extra friendly and flirty. I think we're going to see people's true natures coming up more. And look, there's only 2 more cards left. Oh, let's do this one next. Yeah, and in some ways I think that'll be good, because if you're aware of yourself, you can really start to look at what makes you tick and how it makes you tick. But it could also be a scary thing, because you've got to face yourself, you know. And for me, facing myself has meant dealing with some really dark stuff. And hopefully going to get an official formal diagnosis. But even if I don't get a formal diagnosis, I am. I definitely am. I look back at things I've done my whole life. Last card. And the way I react to things. And I just thought I'd show. Oh, I just went off on a yeah, that I can function. Yeah, I'm pretty impressive. I have held a job down my whole life. Between jobs, although I've swapped jobs a lot. Which ones do I do next? Pink ones? Let's do the pink ones. But through all that, it's been pretty fucking tough, excuse my language, to just manage every day. You know, I'm glad. I dropped one on the floor. I'm pretty, you know, I'm very depressed, so I can't really say how proud I am of myself. Ah, pooping. No, I'll put that up later. Because you can't admit that you might actually be good at something. I really wish I'd been diagnosed when I was younger, because, oh damn it. Oh, whole thing's ruined. Yeah, if I'd been diagnosed earlier, what could I have done? Instead of just dwelling on the fact that I thought I was wrong and thought differently and acted differently and not good at social situations. Well, I'm actually fine at social situations. It's the fact that social situations are hard for me, and I didn't know how to manage my pre-thingy anxiety. So now I'm getting things like, I've just got myself a pair of wireless noise cancelling headphones, which I think are going to be really helpful. I'm working part-time at the moment, and I've just spoken to people about dropping one of my shifts, because 2 shifts is at the moment too much for me in the place I am with all the different things that happen. It's too much. So yeah, I'm trying to come to terms with the fact that I don't have to fit in perfectly. Oh, that was another one I dropped. Into a neurotypical, there we go, type of life. I can fit into it by modifying my stuff around me, you know, like I'm saying, like a pair of sunglasses if it's too bright, and sit in the shade instead of the sun, and wear headphones when I have to. Anyway, there we go. Yeah, I know this sort of rambled on and became a thing about my autism, or Asperger's, or Aspie, or ASD, or high functioning autism, or whatever the term is it's supposed to be called. There we go. So yes, so I'll wake you up from me waffling on now to go, here's the pieces. Next thing we'll be playing the game, and there's a very large booklet, and I could do it in French or German or Italian or Spanish as well, but I think I'll just do it in the English. And that's it. I hope you're having a great day, everyone. And yeah, there we go. Love you all, and you treat each other well, and try and embrace your individuality. Yeah. Okay, bye everyone.